Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, can you leave a like and hit that subscribe button? Today we'll be opening 6 Pokemon packs. Let's get right into it. This is my first Pokemon pack opening. There's the code. I'm not going to do the 1, 2, 3 to the back. I'll sleeve these cards up after the video. Here's the code. Third pack. Here's a code. I'm new to making YouTube videos, so if you can show me some love by hitting that like and subscribe button, post a comment about some things that you would like to see opened. I open anything from Pokemon to Yu-Gi-Oh cards to collectors and limited edition video games, consoles unboxing. Ultra Ball. It looks like a really cool card. Well, that was it. Thank you for watching. My next video, I'll be opening 3 Ancient Guardian packs and open a few more Pokemon packs. Try to pull a Charizard out sometime this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Thank you.